So probably the most confusing part of my instructable was how to figure out how the keyboard was set up. It was hard to write up. It's kind of it's not that difficult to do though, so I thought I'd just do a little video and just show kind of what I did. So the first thing I did is I drew out the keypad. So for example, on this top row there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keys. So I just drew 6 circles. Next one there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I drew 7. It's kind of like that, right? So just knowing, just to keep track of what I was doing. And then there's these little leads on this circuit board, if you can see those. So you probably see them better in the pictures on the instructable. There's just little leads right here. So then I just drew some little circles to represent those. And then all I would do then is, so I take my multimeter, I set it to the ohm, the continuity and resistance setting, and change the mode. This one has a little speaker on it. Most multimeters have that setting. When we touch the leads together, it makes a sound. So it's basically just to test for continuity, so see where wires are connected. So then at that point, all I did is I just removed removed one of these rubber things over the keys, and underneath it there's these pads where the keys touch. So when the under part of this rubber thing touches, it makes a contact between these two pads, and that's how I know the button's been pushed. And so basically, all you do is you just take half that pad and you start touching. So on this one I got like the first pin I touched, that's the one. So then I had these pins numbered, so this was pin 1. So I'd say the outside of this button was number 1. And then I go to the inside, I just touch these leads one by one until I figured out which one it was connected to. And then I would write that one down on the inside. And so then over time, as you do all of them, you know, okay, which pads are connected to which of those leads, and then you can use that to figure out how to hook them up. The way that these keypads kind of work, they're basically on a kind of a grid system. They're a matrix type keyboard, so a lot of keyboards you'll buy for microcontrollers are set up the same way. So you just have rows and columns. So for example, if I need to get input from this 3x3 keypad, then I need 6 pins from the Arduino. And so it uses it, basically says, okay, you know, I know these two are connected, this one and this one, so that's got to be this key right here. And so that way you don't need one pin for every button, so it just lets you connect more buttons.